This lock, it seems like all these cheap, Chinese-made locks on Amazon, it's like, I don't know, 20, 30 bucks, these U-locks for bikes. They work for like the majority of the reviews. Oh, it's great, it's 4-star, 5-star. That's complete BS. Most of these work for, I don't know, just like mine. Now I have experience with this sort of thing. It works for the first few days, but then it just doesn't work anymore. It's jamming up, it's starting up, it's, it doesn't want to turn. It finally came out. Like, what the hell, man? What is with these things? Look, it's not even turning now. Finally it turns. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. When you unlock it, it doesn't want to come out. I'm sure those protruding pins have something to do with it. The positive reviews are all BS. If anyone knows of any good locks, bike locks, U-locks, or chain locks, or should I just use a chain with a regular padlock on it to try to help secure my bike, like during the day when I'm trying to do deliveries? This piece of crap has got to go back. I don't know. And you look on Amazon, there's a lot of people who say that it's in the locked position and they can't get their key out, I don't know. These things all suck. I'm just gonna be honest, they suck. This was working fine for the first few days, but now it's jamming up now on me. This is the lock position, or unlock, whatever. Release, lock. You unlock it, put it in, relock, and then you're supposed to be able to take the key out. But I'm having, some difficulty doing this. And release. I mean, they all seem the same. Oh, I can't get it back in. Okay. Oh, you release. Of course, I can't get the freaking key out now. This is great. It's embarrassing. I mean, you're standing there with your bike chained to a pole or something like that, and I guess it looks like you're trying to steal your own bike. It's embarrassing. Can't get this stupid thing out now. God, what is with this? I don't know. Well, this piece of crap has to go back. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. I can't get the key out. Great. What a piece of shit. There. Finally. Oh, man. What happened to quality? Quality made stuff. Like, even name brand things are garbage. Good riddance. It's going back. Alright, so I just got done doing a little basic maintenance on my bike. That's why I'm wearing gloves. And so I figured I'd show you which lock I use, because I don't use those U-locks, because I bought a couple of them and they just don't, the lock is jamming up on them and they don't seem to work very well, in my experience anyway. So what I've decided to do, I just use a chain. It's got this protective sort of sleeve around it, and then I use this little lock right here. I mean, they're made in China and everything, but this one seems to work fine. I've had this one for a few weeks and it hasn't failed me yet. It's got this little, I guess, protective thing that it rotates around inside there. You'll see if you get it. I'll leave a link in the description to buy this if you want. Sorry about the reflection, but yeah, this is the key in it, and it works fine. Never jammed up on me. It works great. You take this part in here, put this in here, the usual. Snaps in place, keeps your bike secure, hopefully. But I don't have a problem. I never had a problem doing this. Used to go, run in and out of a store, pick up an order, stuff like that. No problem. and this works just great for me. In my experience, those U-locks, you know, the you know what I mean, the bike locks, they go around, you know, just for whatever reason, the mechanism always jams up on me. I can't get the key out. In my experience, that stuff doesn't work. So this is my I returned that U-lock that I had because it was bad. It's like what seems to be most of them on Amazon, but yeah, this works fine. I'll leave a link in the description in case anyone's interested in getting it. That's it. Alright, thanks for watching.